We just witnessed the signing of MOUs by KBITS with Scotland and Georgia, which will pave the way for the furthering mutual cooperation in biotechnology. The biotech sector in Karnataka state a comfortable position both in terms of growth and revenues. About 26% of the biotech revenues of the country, particularly in terms of exports, are generated by the biotech industry in Karnataka. The state is home to about 52% of the core biotech companies in the country. Out of the top 10 biotech companies in India, 5 are located in Bangalore. The IT capital of India has truly emerged as the science capital of India, thanks particularly to the biotech sector. In the past decade, Karnataka state government has taken proactive policy initiatives which have significantly contributed to the growth of the sector. The first biotech policy in the country was announced by Karnataka in 2001. The policy, to a large extent, has achieved the objective. State government revised and announced Millennium Biotech Policy. I am happy to note that the revised policy has received encouraging response from the industry. Besides the fiscal incentives and concessions offered, the revised policy aims at building of necessary infrastructure in terms of state-of-the-art biotech parks and capacity building. A significant initiative of the revised policy is to address the talent shortage problem faced by the industry by setting up of biotechnology finishing schools. I am happy to note that the 12 biotechnology finishing schools sanctioned by the state government across the state are doing pretty well, and feedback from the both industry and the academia is encouraging. In this context, I would like to acknowledge the valuable inputs given by Professor Padmanabhan and members of the monitoring and steering committee of the finishing schools. A world-class incubation center and common instrumentation facility is also being set up in Bangalore Helix by the state government with financial support of Government of India. There are immense opportunities for the biotechnology players to grow in this country. The Indian biotechnology sector has multiplied 6 times from 2003 to reach more than $5 billion US. The compounded growth rate of 22% in this sector is very encouraging. If we have to achieve this, then the regularity mechanisms will have to be revisited. The state is grateful to Vision Group on Biotechnology led by Dr. Kiran Mujumdar Shah for its valuable guidance and inputs for various initiatives. I take this opportunity of assuring the business community that the state government will do all it can for creating a conducive, investor-friendly and industry-friendly environment in the state. I wish all the participants at the Bangalore India Bio event a very productive time. I wish all the foreign delegates a very pleasant stay in the beautiful city of Bangalore. Thank you, sir.